All right, guys, so the F-150 with the rattling timing chains, I'm going to show you something interesting. Rick took it apart, or is in the process of taking it apart, but he came across something quite interesting. Check this out. Hang on. So here we go. Here's Rick. Not Rich. Rick. Anyway, where's my light? Where's my light? Where's my light? Where the hell's my light? Oh, there it is. Watch the crank and watch the pulley. See it? So something happened with the keyway. All right. So something happened with the keyway. Did it shear? Did it bang up the gear? Did it ruin the crank? We don't know. He's going to rip this apart, and then we'll take a good look at this and see what we got. It's not always what you think it is. All right, so Rick got it apart. Check this out. So here is the gear, and if you look right there, you could see where it beat the gear up. See it? Right there? And check this out. It became like an offset dowel. See that? That's how bad it beat it up. The only issue we have is if you look, it's like the keyway wasn't fully seated or something. I don't know, but I don't know. So what we're going to try to do, see if we can't save this. We're going to, sorry, I had antifreeze drip on my screen. We're going to try to get a new keyway and a new gear. Tap the new keyway in, or dowel, whatever you want to call it, tap that in place and see how the new gear fits. If we don't do that, the only choice is a crankshaft, which at that point, for us, we're not going to do just a crankshaft. This thing will get an engine. So, well, I knew the timing was an issue. Knew that right off the bat. And it was just weird how it was making a noise. Remember I initially said it was making a pretty substantial clacking type noise, and I bet you it was that gear rocking back and forth and hitting the dowel, and then it eventually either got stuck in place or whatever happened. The only other choice here, which I'm not crazy about, but the only other choice here would be put a new dowel in, get it seated, and possibly either weld it in place or get the gear on and make sure it sits true and like not off one way or another. If it sits true, then maybe, make it in place. I don't know. Try that, just to save the motor, because the thing runs great. It runs great on the road. So it was funny because it was a dog taking off. So I got a funny feeling it being a dog taking off is because the timing was so darn retarded. But I don't know. I'm going to find out. All right, well, we're going to try that. Hopefully you get something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.